Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Wowcareers account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.wowcareers.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website of Woolworths Group. Mouse over to the Careers tab at the top right and under Find a Job, click on Set Up, Job Alert or Login. You'll be taken to the login area. You can simply type in your email address associated with the account in the first text box. Now, on the next field, type in your password. If you don't remember your password during login in, you can click on this Forgot Your Password in order to get help resetting your password. After filling in the details, click Sign In and you'll find yourself in the main home page of Wowcareers. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.